Hello guys, today we are seeing an OEM trailer we made for the Sino truck. It's a rear dumping truck. We put a hoist system in the front and it's as all the other trailers. We have the electricity connection here and we have the airline connection here. This is a Havel hydraulic cylinder in the front. So when it's tipping, the hydraulic cylinder goes up, then the trailer's body goes up. The cargo can dump itself by the gravity. At the bottom, we are using the bolted type 90mm diameter as the kingpin. And here we have the landing gear, and we also put a toolbox in the middle. The electricity line in the left, and the braking line in the right. Okay, and we have the two spare tires in the side protection guard. So you can put the two spare tires, one in the left, one in the right. In the side rail, we have the reflector in the left and right to show the other drivers how wide the semi-trailer is. And we also put the rope hook in the middle of the side wall. If you have the canvas need to fasten, you can use those rope hooks. This is a mud guard to protect the mud to give the pollution to the truck body. Here's the tire. The tire is a Roadstar, and we use the Fuhua axle 30 ton with 10 stud. Normal suspension, leaf spring suspension with the equalizer and the suspension hanger. This is the side light. We have 3 in the right, 3 in the left. This is how it looks in the rear. We haven't finished the 2 gear in the rear, but just to show you. We also have the ladders in the rear, so the driver can climb to the top to see what's going on inside. Here we have the rear light with a protection. This protection can protect a small damage if the driver is not quite careful. Here we have the 2 seats. We'll have the 2 chains to connect the 2 locking device in the rear. So when you are driving, not dumping, it will lock itself to the rear door. But when you are dumping, the chain will pull this open and then the cargo can dump itself. Let's look at the bottom. At the bottom we can see, to save the cost, we use the nylon tube to do the braking line. And we also have the braking chamber as usual, and the leaf spring, the U-bolt, and the valves in the front. You can see the welding we are doing is not for welding, but we're welding in the different sections to leave a gap there to make sure it has a gap to release the force during the driving. You know, when the trailer is moving, it's always shaking. This is how it looks from this side. And we also put the yellow color in the left and right to show more obvious to the other drivers for the road safety. It's a 3-axle with 2 tires in each side. So totally we have 12 tires for the whole trailer. This is the side protection again. And here is the landing gear again, and it's a one side operation landing gear. So you can operate it from one side. It is always to the road side for the safety. Besides the other side, the root pock, we have the root pock in the another side too. And also we have the ladders, not only at the rear but also in the front. It looks pretty high from the ground, but if you hook up with the trailer, you can easily get to the ladder and then climb to the top and to see the cargo inside from here. But now we don't have any tractor, so it's pretty hard for us to reach. Let's try to reach the ladder from the rear so we can see what's inside. And let's go to the top. Way on the top, I don't want to go to inside because it's pretty dirty. Just to show you how it looks like, and those bars are giving strength to the left and right side to avoid the collapse. And that's a front wall. At the bottom we have the plate left and right, so the cargo can dump quite easily. Also in the front. This is how it looks like in the rear. It's pretty simple. We also have the reinforcement steel bars for each bars in the middle. So the strength of the trailer body is quite strong. And in here we have the device to do the rotation. When you are dumping it, it could easily open the rear door from here. Okay, let's get to the bottom. Here we also have the rope hook in the rear to fasten the rope if you need. And the tire, this tire pattern is the typical trailer tire pattern. It's not because the axle is following axle. It's not a steering axle. It's not a driving axle. So this kind of tire pattern is very useful. All right, I think that's all the details we need to see for this rear dumping trailer. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any comments, please leave it below. Okay, see you guys next time. Bye bye.